Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will introduce another solid geometry, which is cone. So for the cone, is connected with the cylinder. So you can pour the sand or water from the cone to the cylinder, and you will find that the relationship is exactly 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. So that's how we have the formula of the cone, which is 1/3 times base times height. This formula is the same as the pyramid we just talked about on the last video. So the base for the cone, as you see right here, this is a circle. So the area of circle basically is pi r squared. That's why we replace or substitute the b with pi r squared here. Okay, so that is the formula of the cone. Now let's see an example. Here. So for this example, we want to find the volume of the cone. Based on the formula is 1/3 times pi r squared times h. Okay, so that's equal 1/3 times pi. Sometimes the question will require you to leave the pi term, or they will ask you to round to the tens. That means you have to plug into the pi equals 3.14. Okay, so for this one we can just leave as a pi term. So r, which is 5, r squared is 5 squared, times h is 12. Now we just find out that's equal what? So 5 squared times 12, which is 100 pi feet cube. Okay, that will be the answer. So that is the practice for the cone. So we will have more practice on the pyramid and the cone. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.